Hello and welcome to IPscreener. Today I'm going to be taking you with me in a small demo to show you how to create a new idea, review it, and follow up. So let's start by going to the platform and log in. Now I'm inside. This is the landing page showing your innovation landscape, but now we're going to focus on creating new idea. So you click on search new idea, and then you see some of our basic parameters. And I say basic because we do have more advanced parameters that you can see in the advanced search. But now let's talk about those three, which only one of them is required, the text describing the idea, which is the main text used in your search. And you can enter it by 4 different methods, either by voice control or writing the text, or if you have an invention disclosure so you can upload it, or if you have a patent number. Then our 2 optional parameters, the title of the idea and the reference. Let's start by entering some data. So as you see, now I input my text, and this bar indicates how good the length of my idea is. And I entered it in English, but I could have entered it in different language, and the AI will identify this language and translate it into English in our search. And to know which languages we support, click on the tooltip and you'll know that. So now let's run our search and let the AI search for it worldwide in less than 30 seconds. So now that I'm in, as you see, on the left side I see the data I entered, which I can iterate if I want to run a next version. And then in the middle I see the Biblio data and the main data. And then on the right side I see my tools, which start with the stats, which is the AI create the innovation landscape around the invention idea, showing the main trends on who is active, when and where in the whole world. And then we see our highlighted words, which the AI automatically identify and highlight the relevant key terms. You may of course change them or add new or however you like. And then we have our main important function, which is the ranking. You use the ranking to steer the results of your next version or next case to get better results, and the AI learn from your ranking and iterate your next versions and searches to give you better results based on your ranking. So let's rank some of those, like similar, background, noise, and then I can add a comment on one of those documents like this, and I click save, and it tells you who wrote this comment and when. And you can always edit or delete your comment. And this is comment on a certain document. I can also make a general note on the whole case by going here and writing the note. And also you can edit and delete it. Now, what if I want to filter and see only what I did in this case, what I filtered or ranked and so on? You go to our filters and you can enable my evaluation and see if you rank similar. You can check more than one box. I checked similar and background now, and those of the documents I ranked, I can also star it as my favorite. So if I enable my favorite, I will see that this document I ranked and favorite. I can have both of them, I can have one, and so on. And as you see, it tells you where this document exists, in which version and in which index. Now we can clear our filter to go back. Now we can enter the full view of one of those ideas to review it better. As you see, the AI automatically zoomed in to the most relevant passage in this document. And the darker the passage is, the more relevant it is. And you can also mark any of those passages if you think one passage you think is more related or more relevant. You can always use your marker and just click on it and like that, and add a comment, marker 1, and save it. Then you can check it here, and as you see, when I clicked on it, it marked it and it showed it underlined, so it shows me where I am in the document. And I can add another comment on this marker, I can delete it, I can edit it, and the same thing also with the pre-chosen passages. You can also comment on them or delete your comment and so on, but you cannot delete the pre-existing passages. And you see that I also have the highlights as it is, and I see the ranking again. So now let's go back to our document. Now, what if I want to share this document with a colleague to collaborate with me? I can easily click on share and write their mail and the text I want to send. And click on share. And then it showed me that the mail had been sent successfully. And then what if I sent it to someone by mistake and I don't want them to access that link that I sent? I can easily click on share again and see all active links and click unlink. Now you can also export those. So those documents, you can only click on export, and then you see the different formats of the reports that we have. You can use Excel ranked, PDF ranked, Word ranked, USPTO, Excel all, PDF all, or clipboard, which copies the list of the patents number. So you can easily click on it, PDF ranked, Excel ranked, and then it's going to start processing in a few seconds, up to 1 minute, depends on how many results you have, and then it's ready to download. As you see, now it's ready and I can easily download it. And here is my PDF also. So now last, we can look on the history if we're more than one person iterating on this idea, and I want to see who did what, when, and what did they do. So you can see we have the date, the user who did this, the category, if they did a marker, if they did a note or a comment or rated, and the data itself. So that was all for today. Hope you benefited from it, and see you in the next videos. Goodbye.